Maybe trying to scare him, and no problems there.
He takes on big shots, doesn't he? And that's why the inconsistency can be there. But he can just wait for that zone, in his zone, and play a better shot and get himself going. He's never going to be below a carry if they lose. There he goes. He's got every bit of it into the stand. Another opportunity for a catch. It's the slot ball he waits for. He keeps waiting for that slot, keeps the head down. Away it goes. And he's up against Russell, who has got a Afridi back on strike. Oh, he gets a gift. An absolute gift. Helped on its way. And they move into the 90s. This is good work. Doesn't get many runs these days.
Yeah, that's an easy pick, isn't it? It's just that delivery on the hip, using the pace, small boundary. Take that. Is the way to go.
Has he got enough? Yes, he has. The fielder there doesn't even attempt to think it's coming to him. Oh! There you go, Jonesy. Boom.
Yeah, wonderful hitting, beautiful hitting, giving a little bit of room or just a little flick. Doesn't really have to hit hard. He's a strong boy. It's a long way.
Back in time here, watching this, they're 99. And has he got all of it? Oh, yes, he does! And they'll go into the hundreds. 105 for 4. That's why the crowd love him. Look at him, he's pumped up.
This help, Afridi. One hand off the handle. When he hits, it doesn't matter if it's a one hand on the handle or two. It goes.
And what's he doing today? He's smacking him to all parts. He's smacking him to all parts.
Why is he batting so low down the order? Why not to open? Have more deliveries. More fun. 4 in a row. It's all happening.
37 off 9. He could equal the fastest 50 with 3 sixes in the next 3 balls. It's gone for 25. 4 in a row. That's a better ball, the Yorker. It was 4 sixes in a row. It goes for 20. It was the ability for Afridi to get back on strike because the ball was in the air. And that dismissal for long enough. Flayed through the offside. Tyler stroke in this innings, 43 of 12. Front foot, waits for it. Crash.
22 years ago. First time he played here. Still going very strong, isn't it, Slats?
Well, yeah, it's phenomenal. Oh, don't bowl him a full toss. Don't bowl him a full toss. Didn't quite get hold of it, and he's approaching 50. His last innings of this round some time ago was a half century, so he does like playing here. We haven't seen this booming for a while.
Yeah, he scored 100 in the.
That's 50 to boom. Huge champion. He's been playing since 96 and he's still cracking them. And there's 1 over remaining. There are 126 for. Here we go. And there it goes. There it goes. That's why he had to be on strike. And the last time he walked down, well, Ashraf was facing him and said, come on, man, get me on strike. 7 sixes he's hit.
In the crease. And that little flick. Strong wrists coming into play.
Well, you think of the role he plays with the ball as well. This is it. Last ball of the innings. Sizing it up. And they'll go for 2. It was good backing up at the non-striker. They'll come back for 2. And they'll take that. It was a good ball and a good over from Rios.